Welcome to the California Career Zone. In order to launch Interest Profiler, you can type in Interest Profiler in the search bar, or you can directly remember the URL careerzone.org/IP. Interest Profiler allows you to discover what your interests are and how they relate to the world of work. The Interest Profiler helps you decide what kinds of occupations and jobs you might want to explore based on your interest. Let's get started. Select an option below to begin. Select a new Interest Profiler. Click Go. The mini version contains 30 questions and is recommended for use when time is limited. Click 30 questions-mini. The Interest Profiler has 30 questions about work activities that some people do on their jobs. Read each question carefully and decide how you feel about doing each type of work. Strongly dislike, unsure, like, strongly like. At any point during the profiler, you can change your answer to a question. Simply use your mouse to move to the next question where you want to change your answer. Then select your new answer. Click Next. As you make your choices on the Interest Profiler, try not to think about whether you have enough education or training to perform the activity or how much money you will make performing the activity. Simply think about whether you will like or dislike doing the work activity if you had a chance to do it. Click Next. This is not a test. There are no right or wrong answers. You can take all the time you need. The only goal is for you to learn about your interest so you can explore work that might be satisfying and rewarding to you. Let's begin. Select the option that best reflects how you might feel about performing the activity below. As for myself, building a kitchen cabinet is probably not something that I have an interest in. Once you make the selection, you can go on to the next question and answer each question. Once you're finished, you can summarize. The score below are a summary of your interests. They represent how much you enjoy each type of activity. The three highest score areas form an interest profile that can be used to explore occupations. These results should be considered a guide for your career exploration, not a definitive statement of which occupations you should or should not pursue. The results do not mean that you will be good at a particular occupation, only whether you might enjoy the type of activities required by that occupation. As for me, my top 3 interest areas in order of importance are social 14, conventional 11, realistic 10. Other interests in order of importance are artistic 9, enterprising 8, investigative 7. You can write down each interest area and its corresponding score to the right. You can take a picture or copy this text onto a page. Thank you for viewing this short video on the Interest Profiler. Next, we will go view occupations.